Hey, this is AJ, friend of Kelty's. We're up here in the alpine wilderness of Colorado. We're taking these backpacking newbies on their first overnight excursion at this alpine lake, and we're gonna teach them a thing or two, Kelty style.
I have not been backpacking, so.
It's my lucky underwear.
I've never been backpacking before, never once.
I have never been backpacking before.
There's a lot more in here than I thought there was.
I've been camper camping, like pop-up camping, which I don't think that would really count.
All right, so now we've gone through the essentials of the items that you will need on this trip. We're gonna go through how to properly pack it. And once we're all secured, we'll go through the process of how we seat this for your particular body. You feel good? All right, how about one of these? We're ready to hit some trail.
I say go over as opposed to under.
Forget it.
Okay, not the idea.
So close.
That was great. I think I'm gonna go.
That was a bad idea.
I feel like I'm carrying a small person on my back.
I feel like a small person would be easier. I understand why we invented cars. So, first backpacking trip about a mile in. Not terrible, kind of steep.
Elf droppings. Hey, did you guys know you can actually eat these? They're good.
I'm good.
It's pretty fresh. Now we're gonna talk about taking a in the woods. Wait, can we say I have to say poop. Yeah.
This is it.
Oh, that was so pretty.
Worth it?
Definitely.
Yeah.
I feel like they're like Titanic.
Well, we made it to this beautiful alpine lake. We did run into an issue. As you can tell, there's a lot of lingering snow around here. The ground is pretty wet, which is going to make it really cold for everybody. Also, where we were planning to camp, you can see there was once a fire pit that has been destroyed, and it's also, by rules and regulations, not 100 feet from the lake. So, as to set a good example for our newbies, we are going to decide to go ahead and go down and find a safer campground.
I feel like they're lying.
Oh yeah. Who had the black bag, the sleeping bag? Can I see that? I think that, yeah, I got to make sure that that didn't get messed up. Yeah, that's what it was. Thanks, man. You can remember that. You want to make sure if you got heavy things, put it in someone else's bag so they can carry it for you.
I thought today was really fun. I learned a lot about backpacking. I'm nice and toasty, even though it didn't go off quite as we planned. I think it was still worth the effort.
I definitely learned a lot. And I would do it again, maybe a little easier. Some beginner level stuff.
This bed's a lot more comfortable than I thought.
Oh, it's so comfy.
Oh, these are. I'm
It's like an
impressed.
air
These little,
mattress.
Yeah, it kind of is like an air mattress.
so we have like little bed pads.
Yeah,
But
it's really good.
Water
They're
bed.
fantastic.
I'm tired and I need sleep.
Long day.
Monday.
Alright, well, bye vlog!
Morning.
I think the biggest thing I learned is that backpacking is way harder than it looks.
One of my biggest takeaways was that I don't think our leader was actually an experienced backpacker.
Here's the thing. I saw an ad on Craigslist and work has been terribly slow.
But other than that, I think my biggest takeaway is to always pack warm, because even though it's June, it still gets pretty cold out here.
I don't know if that's what he wants to call himself, he can be a guide, but it was just because he was getting a lot of assistance, you know. I didn't even have service, but this man asked me for my hotspot, and I was like, hey, I just gotta borrow it real quick. And then I hear him watching videos on how to start a fire. It's just, so I would 100%, without a doubt, do another backpacking trip.
I'll just say thank you, AJ, for a unique backpacking experience.
I mean, I think these kids really respect me like a wilderness parent, and that's cool. This is the best. Hey, where are we? What are we doing? So, we're gonna do another one? Hey, we could go tomorrow if you want. No, I got another bag. Hey, do you guys Snapchat? Hey, I'll reach out to you. Well, email. If you got email. Hey, be careful. Hey, be safe. Those kids are great.